major landmarks of the femur. The femur is the only bone of the thigh, situated between the hip and the knee. The femur is the largest bone of the human body. The superior end of the femur has a rounded ball shape. This ball-shaped structure is the head. On the surface of the head is a small depression called the fovea capitis. A ligament that secures the femur within the acetabulum of the hip bone attaches here. Below the head is a pedestal-like stalk called the neck. On the posterior surface of the femur, notice the two bony projections, the greater trochanter and the lesser trochanter. This is the greater trochanter. This is the lesser trochanter. A fracture in the neck or near the trochanters of the femur is commonly known as a broken hip. Looking down the shaft of the femur, notice the elevated ridge on the posterior surface. This is the linea aspera. At the distal end of the bone, there are two bony knobs called condyles. The medial condyle is found on the same surface as the head of the femur and projects to form the most inferior point of the bone. This is the lateral condyle. This notch on the posterior surface between the two condyles is called the intercondylar fossa. On the anterior surface of the femur, there is a smooth region in the middle of the epiphysis called the patellar surface. The patellar surface is where a small bone called the patella, or kneecap, is located within the quadriceps femoris tendon. Let's finish by reviewing the major landmarks of the femur. Femur. Head. Fovea capitis. Neck. Greater trochanter. Lesser trochanter. Linea aspera. Medial condyle. Lateral condyle. Intercondylar fossa. Patellar surface.